Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset Samsung A01 without using PC. Just follow the steps along the way. You will see how you can format this phone easily without having any trouble, and try to subscribe to roll on top for more tech videos. So starting this video, you have to press power button, volume up button all together at the same time and keep on pressing them until the screen pops up. If the screen pops up, you let go power button and keep on pressing volume up button until you see a format interface screen on top. Keep on pressing it even though it breaks out. You see Android logo, then the format section. You use volume down, scroll down since the phone doesn't respond on the screen. When you reach on wipe data and factory reset, then you click power button. Use volume down to select factory data reset. Then wait for the phone to wipe all the data. Then you press power button to wipe and reboot the system. To do this, you have to make sure your phone is fully charged, like above 30% of the battery, so that the phone doesn't break out. If it's not charged, sometimes it misbehaves, it takes long to reboot, sometimes it fails to go on. If it can even completely fail to go on. So what you do, you have to first make sure you've charged your phone before doing any factory reset. Then you press it. Then on this step, it normally takes long time on this step. What you do, you wait for it until it finishes. Now it's starting to wipe all and setting up settings. Then you start a setup wizard of this phone. You click next on few legal terms to review. You can skip on Wi-Fi if your phone is not on FRP lock. If you would like to remove FRP for this phone, just try to check in the description for more videos of Samsung how you can remove FRP for any Samsung phone. Accept terms and conditions. You click on skip anyway to protect your phone. You can set the password later. No need to set it at this time, so you can do it later. Don't worry, through the settings. Then you wait for the phone. Here there are some recommended apps which you can use already inbuilt for the phone. You skip now, the phone is fully freshed, and now you can use it after wiping all the data. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe this channel for more content.